More than 25 years ago, my mom stood exactly where I'm standing right now. Let me show you. See that image? Where this table is, it is the exact same spot where my mom and dad stood more than 25 years ago. So I traveled to be here because there's no any other place like it. I came to deliver this package, and I don't want to make this video long, so I'm gonna show you exactly what is inside this package. We're gonna repack it, and I'm gonna hand it over to my mom because I believe if she could protect me when I was a little kid, I think I was 1 year old in that photo, then I believe she can protect these gears for until you guys decide who we're gonna give them to. So let me show you exactly what's inside the package, and get out of here. Okay. I traveled all the way from Diani to come here for this. So let me show you what's inside this package. So this right here is the Rode NT1. Right there is the Rode NT1 5th generation. Right there. Let me show you. Everything is intact, I guess. Right there, everything is pretty intact, I guess. Right there, that's everything's looking pretty solid there. That's the shock mount. Let's take a look at the mic itself. I think everything is intact. Everything is pretty intact. Right there. Let's take a look at it real quick. I don't want this video to be long, man. That's the Rode NT1 5th generation. That's the thing right there. The shock mount is intact. Everything is intact. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack it because I don't know how long it's going to take until you guys decide who we're gonna give this to. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna pack it real quick, seal it, put it in a bag, and hand it over to my folks for safety, because I can't think of any other person better than my folks to keep this intact. All right, so that's pretty much it. Let's seal this microphone. Seal it real quick. Seal that thing. Solid on that. Done. Sealed. That's the Rode NT1 5th generation. Sealed. Done. Put it in the box there. This is the Scarlett 2i2 3rd generation, as you can see it there, but let me show it to you before we seal it. Let's do this real quick. I don't want this video to be long. As you can see, that's the Focusrite right there. The Focusrite right there, 2i2 3rd gen. All right, let's seal it. Let's seal this guy here. Okay. Fantastic. Sealed. Put inside the box there. Nice and lovely. Let's get down to this. Put inside the box. Nice. That's done with. And then the HPS 3000. As you can see right there. That's the HPS 3000 headphones. Let's seal them. I want to do it quickly here. I don't want to make this video so long, dude. So let's seal this and get down with this. Okay. Right. Sealed right there. Actually, I'm supposed to put inside this box first. Let's do it that way. That's the NT1 5th gen. That's the Scarlet. And the HPS right there. Done. Put inside this. Okay, let's actually give it some tape right there. Let's actually give it a little bit of tip. Where is it? Oh my god. I want this video to be short, but looks like it will not be that short. Got a little bit of a problem there. Yeah, got it. Talk about wanting something to tape. Oh my god, the tape is down. We're down to the tape. Okay. I think it's safe there. I think it's safe there. Let's put it inside this bag. The tape is out. I just ran out of tape there. Not a big deal. Let's put inside this protection there. All right. Let's put inside this box. As you can see, that photo was taken at this exact spot where I am right now. There is no spot that beats this. Just let me lock this real quick. I think we're done. I'm gonna hand this to my mom because I don't think of okay. I'm alone here, and I know my mom is probably on the somewhere, so I'm gonna hand this to my mom real quick. Let's do this. Okay. Mom. Lagan toi. Kwenda utwikire gantuka mwankalira antobaka mwano ukanenkirwa into bya ku record sauti microphone na headphone na ndi utwikire mwankalira anto bakamwana ukanenkirwa antike chabi na ndeka na chabire so twekire mwanka ira antobakamwana ukajukia. So basically what I've just said is that I've told her to keep it safe for us until you guys get to decide who we're gonna give him to. So that's done with. I've handed over the Rode NT1 5th gen. I've handed over the Focusrite 2i2. I think we're done with this. So the only thing remaining now is for me to grab a bag and get the hell out of here. Actually, I've forgotten the keys. So let me take the keys back to her. Okay. And actually, as you can see, this is the exact spot where this photo was taken. I'm not making this up, and you can't make this up. And the idea is, if my mom could protect me for all those years, this is me, exactly 2 years, I think 1 year old right there. If she can protect me, I think she can protect those gears. That's really the point of coming all the way to this point right here in Meru County. This, as you can see, I want to make you really realize that where I'm standing, it is where it is the exact spot right there. Right there. Let me just kind of put this picture down there so you can take a look. Right there. Then try to connect the dots. That's the same hours. Maybe back then there wasn't any fence. But it is the exact same spot. So I've forgotten the keys. She's asked me for the keys. So let me go give her the keys. Okay, let's give her the keys, man. I gotta get out of here. Okay. Go little Chabi. Ngole Rito Chabi. Okay, I'm looking for her so I can hand her the keys. Where is she? The box is there, but she doesn't have the key. Where is she? Mommy, no eta. Huh? Okay, so anyways, let me just put the keys here. I don't know where she's going. Right there. So the Rode NT1, the 5th gen, it's gonna be safe here with my mom. She's gonna keep it where she knows it'll be safe until you guys decide who we're gonna give it to. This is my mom's place. This is where I was born. This is the soil that raised me. And that's about it. Or maybe I should just hold on. Maybe she's going to the bathroom. I don't know. I'm gonna wait until she comes so I can hand over these keys. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. 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 I don't know where she's going. Oh my God, look at the chicken. Look at that. Look at those guys, the 2 guys over there. I don't know where my mom was going to. I really don't know. I really don't know where she's going. I need to give her these keys. I need to give her these keys, man. I don't know where she's going to. Let me wait. Shout out to the little chicken down there. Oh my goodness. Woo. What's up, guys? Look at that. Little chicken right there. Okay. Oh, mom. Yeah. So I'm down here, guys. The keys, I've been handing over to my mom. The box is safe. Let's get out of here, man. Let's get out of here. I'll see you on the road. Meru. The keys have been handed over to my mom. Exactly where I was born. I mean, look at that photo, man. I don't want to repeat that story again. All I gotta do now is grab my bag and get the F out of here, bro. Where's my bag?